when you say I'm going to tech prep or vocational school or anything, people just instantly think, oh, you don't want to try in high school anymore.
The perception I had in high school, even before that, regarding going to vocational technology or vocational school versus regular high school was it just was not something pushed or even didn't seem like it was talked about.
I feel somewhat embarrassed to admit, I just kind of went along with that mindset that it was a negative thing, attending a vocational school.
I got my first four-wheeler when I was 9 years old for Christmas, and it was just this little tiny blue thing. I don't know how I even rode it now, but my mom would have to follow me around the backyard with a tether attached because I would try to go too fast every time. As I grew, I started racing when I turned 12. Then I started maintaining my own quads about 13, 14, and that's right where I really got into the mechanics, is because I enjoyed doing it on the four-wheelers, and I figured, hey, I might enjoy doing this on cars.
The hands-on exploration of how things worked was what he was interested in an early age. And that slightly evolved to motors and motorsports and how does an engine work.
He seemed to really have an interest in riding the ATV, and that really lit a fire in him.
After that visit, from then on, he was determined, he was motivated in order to make this happen. So he flipped a switch. Freshman, sophomore year, he excelled academically, Dean's List, honor roll, completely applied himself in ways that I'd not seen him apply himself academically.
I challenged myself probably a little bit too much, honestly, taking all honors and AP classes. I was trying to just fill up as much as I could and make myself look good enough to get into vocational school.
He began working for Kim Tarvin at Tarvin Auto Service, and it has been a very, very positive experience for him.
We like extremely experienced techs that are high, like certified or highly schooled, but it's also been my experience in all the years, and I was a service manager in a dealership before. It's better to get young ones such as Michael and train them to the standard that we desire.
There's nothing better than being put in the shop, real world problems, not simulated in school. Not simulated problems in school do help, but if you get the chance to go out into the real workforce and look at these problems and create the fix for yourself, there's no better learning experience than that.
For me, my concerns with CTE were based on my perceptions when I went through school and what I thought I knew about CTE. So I had to do some personal work and personal digging to research it and see, okay, let me step back, see what this is truly about.
I'm out of school, I'm in the workforce, I don't know anybody, anything. It feels really good.